Wrapped ginger treats bad cough and removes mucus from the lungs in just one night, especially good for kids. Recipes for every occasion. Although coughs and colds are harmless as they can be, there is something really irritating about coughing and sneezing all the time. Coughing makes it difficult for us to concentrate, plus it annoys every single person around you. Regardless of how unpleasant it can be, it is pretty easy to deal with a cold throughout the day. But, it turns into a real nightmare during the night, especially because it keeps you and your partner up until the sun comes up. Children have a weak immune system, which is why they are more prone to coughs and colds. Cough syrups are sweet and tasty, but all they do is suppressing the pathway of signals in the brain that triggers severe coughing. Most syrups contain codeine and dextromethorphan. These help you fall asleep, and come packed with side effects like drowsiness, headache, and rapid heartbeat. We suggest that you try natural homemade wraps instead of drowning yourself in cough syrups. Their Majesty, Honey Ginger Wraps. Honey is a common remedy for many ailments, including dry skin treatments and general detoxification. But, you can also use it to relieve your cold, since it has the ability to dislodge mucus from your lungs. Treating cough this way is safe for both adults and children. Make your own honey ginger wraps and relieve stubborn colds. Getting your honey wraps ready takes no time, and you need a few simple items. Some like using tin foil for their wraps. Honey, coconut oil, napkin, gauze, flour, bandage, ginger. Steps of application. 1. Combine flour and honey into a paste-like mixture, but try not to touch it. Drizzle in a tiny bit of coconut oil, add the fresh ginger juice to the honey paste and re-roll the honey mixture in flour. 2. Transfer the resulting mixture onto a napkin, and wrap it using a gauze. 3. Apply the wrap on your chest or back, and secure with a bandage. You can put on your pajamas and go to bed. 4. If it is your child that receives the treatment, keep the wrap on its chest for 2-3 hours before bedtime. Adults can keep the wrap on overnight. Keep in mind that such treatments cause excessive sweating. This cough-relieving treatment has no side effects, but be careful when using it in children, because keeping the wrap on their gentle skin for too long may cause unpleasant effect. Rachel Lim, Singapore, is a brave mom who used such wraps on her child. She shared this experience on her Facebook profile, confirming its huge effectiveness. Her wraps were made with tin foil. Usually about 2 to 3 hours in his sleep, her baby, he would begin to cough profusely and whine. Last night I put foil on him, keeping it for 4 hours, and did not hear anything from him, no nasal congestion, no phlegm, not a sound. Throughout the night, not a single cough from him. Ginger, same as honey, finds great application in traditional cough treatments. It relieves sore throat, and also eases chest congestion.